Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use marketing automation to welcome and convert new contacts. Marketing automation is the process of using software to automate marketing tasks such as sending emails, managing social media, and tracking customer interactions. It can help businesses of all sizes to be more efficient and more effective with their marketing efforts. Welcome email series are one of the most effective ways to nurture new contacts and convert them into customers. When a new contact subscribes to your email list, they are interested in learning more about your business and what you have to offer. A welcome email series is a great way to introduce yourself, your business, to your new contacts and start building a relationship with them. To get more details about the welcome email series, go to my blog post. I wrote more information there, on marketing automation and how to create a welcome email series. I even give examples of what an welcome email, educational email, and promotional email will look like. So go to the description below and click on the link to go to my blog post for more info. To set up a welcome email series in system.io, follow these steps. First step, go to the Automations tab in System.io. Click on the Rules button. Click on the Create button. At the trigger option, point your mouse at the plus icon and click on it. A list of triggers pops up. Select your choice of a trigger. For example, I want the welcome email to be sent when someone subscribes to my sign up form. So I choose funnel step. Funnel step form subscribed. Select the funnel. Then select the funnel step. At the Actions option, point your mouse at the plus icon and click on it. A list of actions pops up. Select your choice of action. For example, I want the subscriber to be added to an email campaign. So I choose Subscribe to Campaign. Select the campaign. Select the rule. Now, whenever someone subscribes to your mailing list via the sign-up form, the new subscriber will receive the emails from the campaign, which includes a confirmation email, welcome email, and all the other emails scheduled in the campaign. Easy, isn't it? If you're looking for a way to automate your welcome email series, I recommend using System.io. System.io is a powerful marketing automation platform that is easy to use and affordable. You can get a free trial of System.io by clicking on the link in the description below. Marketing automation is a powerful tool that can help you to welcome new contacts, nurture them, and convert them into customers. By following the guide here in this video, you can create a welcome email series that will help you grow your business. Again, if you're looking for a way to automate your welcome email series, I highly recommend using System.io. I use it, so that's why I recommend it. System.io, I have found, is a powerful marketing automation platform that is easy to use and affordable. You can start with a free trial of System.io by clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.